Welcome to our video series, where we explore the intersection of technology, manufacturing, and morality. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we'll be discussing how artificial intelligence in manufacturing could pose a significant threat to humanity if not thoughtfully managed. We'll be diving into the potential dangers of optimization without a moral compass and consider the potential ramifications of autonomous manufacturing. As we explore these fascinating and somewhat unsettling topics, I hope to provide you with a balanced perspective that underscores the importance of ethical considerations in technology use. I've been reflecting on the existing technology in manufacturing and how, when combined with the power of artificial intelligence, it poses a significant threat to humanity. I've come to realize that this threat to human civilization is much larger than most of us think. Let's discuss the danger of optimization without a moral compass. Manufacturing has been optimizing production processes for years, using technological advancements for efficiency. The goal has always been to improve quality, reduce costs, and ensure optimal performance of our assets. Humans were optimizing with morality in mind to boost profitability. At first glance, AI and machine learning seem like they can push these goals further. But remember, AI is trained to optimize. It doesn't have a moral compass to decide if the optimization is good or bad. AI's main goal is to achieve a programmed outcome. We can program it to have a moral compass, but whose moral compass do we use? The real danger comes in when the programmed optimization is misinterpreted by generative AI technologies, or if someone with harmful intentions initiates a destructive optimization. For instance, a manufacturing firm could accidentally optimize the production of dangerous or defective products that could harm humans or the environment, or rapidly deplete our natural resources in the name of efficient manufacturing. Let's discuss how manufacturing control systems are now at a higher risk. There are plenty of bad actors initiating sophisticated cyber attacks on companies, organizations, and individuals worldwide. As more manufacturing processes become automated and utilize cloud technologies, the risk of cyber attacks increases. Many manufacturing facilities today rely on programmable logic controllers to automate specific processes. It's entirely plausible for someone armed with AI tools to break into these control systems and cause significant damage. For example, AI could be used to shut down production of a competitive business, or even cause intentional buildup of dangerous gases or pressures that could result in fatal explosions in industries like oil and gas. Now let's consider the potential for autonomous destruction through unsupervised lights-out manufacturing. Some companies are already using lights-out manufacturing, which is a fully automated production facility that creates products with little to no human intervention. A Japanese robotics company has been operating a lights-out facility since 2001, using robots to build more robots, and can run unsupervised for 30 days at a time. Imagine if one of these facilities combined its lights-out manufacturing technology with generative AI that decides an improvement in the process should involve the creation of dangerous or harmful products. The large-scale development of autonomous weapons, nuclear arms, or biotechnology threats are entirely possible without proper safeguards. We're ushering in a whole new era. In just the past few months, we've seen the massive impact that generative AI technologies can have on our industries, society, and world. When these threats and dangers cross over from the digital world into our physical one, it's clear that AI has the power to revolutionize life as we know it in a positive way, but also carries the potential for grave danger and even the possibility of human extinction. While I don't believe we can stop the development of AI, it's crucial to be cautious moving forward, both in terms of future research and application, as well as in creating safety and security measures. It's vital that humans remain in control and that this technology is used for the benefit of humans, not to lead to their destruction. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the potential dangers of AI in manufacturing, the risks of optimization without a moral compass, and the possible ramifications of autonomous manufacturing. Remember, while AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, it's crucial that we proceed with caution and ethical considerations. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insight. To learn more about what we do, visit us at upkeep.com. Your engagement helps us create more content like this, and we appreciate your support.